Could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's good, Ski Gang? It's your boy Amaxri in the building like always, man. Today I got a reaction video, man. The video that I'm reacting to is called FlightReacts making weird noises, man. Let's get to the video. What? This nigga Fleisch is retarded, bro. This nigga retarded. What? This nigga retarded, bro. Look at his face, bro. What the fuck? This nigga retarded, bro. Nigga look like a dog, bro. What the fuck? Why you doing that to his shoes, bro? What? What? He always sound like that in almost all his videos, bro.
Cap, amazing cap. Ring.
This ass is retarded, bro. I'm weak. This nigga is retarded, bro. Sound like Mario, bro. I knew that was gonna be the end of the video, bro. That's a good way to end the video, man. FlightReacts is funny as fuck, bro. Like, I don't know, like, he weird, but he funny as fuck, bro. He entertaining. I see why people like watching him and fucking like trolling him and shit, but that's it for this video, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all smack that subscribe button, turn on notifications, join the Ski Gang, join the Ski Nation, shorty. Y'all know the vibes. Stop playing with me, shorty. But that's pretty much it, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Ski Gang, what's up?